Yo, 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 to all my G-steppers, y'all ready to earn some money on some crypto? Oh, smash that like button. Let's get into this. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin has had such a fire year. We're at 44,000 again. Kissing that 44,000 level, baby. You know it. You know it. We aiming for 45. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe and notifying you that we're going to 45,000 as far as I'm concerned. And that's not financial advice. I could be wrong. I don't have the crystal ball. But once we break over 45,000 and claim that level, keep that level, take that level, we're going straight for the 48,000. Level by level, we'll get there. Eventually, we'll get there, and hopefully to 50,000 before a massive pullback. Now, who knows how long that's going to take? And this works in cycles. Like Bitcoin will pump first, ETH will pump next. Then, like you've got your Solanas and your Avalanches and everything in the top 10. I'll even show you right here. Like this pumps first, then this pumps, then all these ones here start pumping like crazy, and then you get into our tiny little cryptos that pump last. Everybody's like jumping off of like the money elevator. Imagine them like elevators. Like everybody's trying to ride the next elevator to profits. So that's basically why these things move the way that they move. And that's what we're waiting for right now. We've been consolidating with Bitcoin here for a little while. So we're waiting to see if we can break over this level here for a little bit. You guys look at the week here. We've kind of just been chilling. We did pop off a little bit right here till we got to this level. So what was that, the 5th? So we probably got another maybe 2, 3, 4 days before we really start breaking higher to another level, because there's at least like a week of cool down between levels. But meanwhile, while you're doing that, you have a chance to get into altcoins. That's why you're here. You're here for the altcoins. But now I'm doing Bitcoin analysis for you guys too, because there's a lot of newbies in crypto that need this type of analysis, need to see where we're going next. And as long as Bitcoin stays bullish, these altcoins are going to stay bullish too. So without further ado, let's get into a couple of altcoins right here. Here's a nice little altcoin right here. Now, this is an Alex Becker recommendation that I picked up on. Earlier today, I saw this and I looked into this and I was like, that's a fire fucking project. I just wish I had got into it sooner. I'm not invested yet, but I'm bringing it to you guys. And if I see a pullback in this, my patrons are going to be the first ones to know. So smash that link down there in the bio, down whatever the hell it's called, the description. But yeah, for $5, you guys can get into this type of stuff. I'm letting people know ahead of time when I'm getting into all these cryptos before these YouTube videos are ever made. You know, for $5 a month, it's basically priceless to be able to make these types of gains, to get in on projects like this. Because I didn't recommend this one, but I've been recommending cryptos that have been doing stuff just like this, fucking 5 and 10x rips. So that's basically what we're all about. We didn't buy into this yet, but it's only at a 19 million market cap, and this is a launchpad project. And it's not just a gaming launchpad project. This is like an overall launchpad project. You know, like there's a lot of launch pads that have the game's narrative locked down. Like people are only going to go so many places to try and get into games. So this one's like cool because this is going to be able to allow people to get into more of things than just games. This will probably survive stronger. And launch pads end up going to hundreds of millions of market caps. So this thing probably got a strong 10x in it at least. Look at this on the chart here. 10x puts it about right here on the chart. You go 20x. This thing's about a 25x from the top right here. And you guys could pull up the website if you'd like to. I'm not going to pull up the website because these websites have been getting my computer going crazy. I got to upgrade my computer right now. I'm slacking over here with my 2,000 subscribers. BNB, it's on BNB and it's on Ethereum. I like Binance Smart Chain, so I'm going to pick some of this up right here. You just copy the address and go to Pancake Swap, and you'd be able to swap some BNB in exchange for this paid network right here. If you guys want the token. None of this is financial advice. Don't invest in any of this just because some weirdo on the internet's talking to you about it. What the hell do I know? Here's another one that I was looking at right here. Now, definitely don't buy this one because I said so, because this is a mega risky one. But this is at 45 cents, and at one point this thing was at $45. What is that? That's 100x. This is 100x, and it actually went a bit higher than 100x. It's about 120x from the top. 2 million market cap. Now, this thing has a pretty cool looking website. I would definitely look into this bad boy right here. Do your research on this one. This is also Binance Smart Chain, so super easy to get into. Same way, Pancake Swap. Now what I'm seeing is that this thing finally broke out of this level here. It broke out of from on the 25th, just on the 25th, it broke out of the 26 all the way to 65 cents. That's huge. That's like a 3x. That's mega bullish, or like a 2.5x. Mega bullish, and look at it, really hasn't done much before that. It's been kind of dead in the water. So I see this as like a sleeping giant. It's like an early mover. It hasn't really done anything yet. And on the all, it's like way at the bottom. It's because of the small supply. It's only got 10 million tokens max supply. So this thing really could probably go to like $100 if this ended up being a really good token. This is definitely a potential 100x gem. Not financial advice, but I'm not invested in this one either, but I'm going to buy this one soon. I'd like to see a small pullback in this one too. Might not get much more of a pullback. I thought maybe I can get in around like 37 cents, around that area. Trying to get in around this area right here where this thing had like a top off level. But probably I'll dollar cost average in over the weekend here. I'm going to dollar cost average and let the patrons know about that one right there. Probably just drop you guys one more quick one right here. What's another one that I think can do really well here? Let's talk about last but not least, real quick one, Altura. This one, my computer okay? All right, this one's at 7 cents, still has a rip to go all the way back up here.